A couple of weeks ago, I put out a video on how to set up a trading bot with crypto.com. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how that's performed over the last couple of weeks. Before we get to that, I just want to say what is going on with the crypto market at the moment. Some of these coins and tokens are going through the roof. Now, I had AVAX in my Swissborg account for about 18 months, I think. I put it into the yield account on Swissborg to earn myself some yield. And I had around about £700 worth of AVAX, or at least it was valued at about £700 when I put it into the yield. And then obviously the tokens have gone up and down over the last year. A couple of weeks ago, we had this little, week where things were going up. Crypto.com, or the CRO token, was going up. It was getting up to like 9-10 pence here in the UK, and everything else was kind of on an upward trend. AVAX went up. I think it went up to around about £19, just nearly got to £20, and I considered selling at that point, and I didn't, and then it went back down again, so I left it. And then this week, it's just AVAX has gone up stupidly. It went up 20%, I think, overnight. But I sold my AVAX on Wednesday. It got to about £22, £23 or thereabouts, and I thought any minute now it's going to start plummeting again, so I got rid of it, and I made about £300, 350 profit or thereabouts, something like that. Over the last 2 days, it's gone up incredibly again, so now we're at about £26-27 or something for AVAX. I think it might have even touched 28. I could have made another £300 over the last 2 days, but I didn't. I sold it, so I'm a bit gutted about that, but I'm still in profit. But when's it going to end? I mean, I hope it doesn't, but, it's one of them things, isn't it, with crypto? You just don't know when to take your profits, because overnight prices can just drop, and you can be in a negative position again. So obviously that's when people start taking out little bits at a time, the same way as you might dollar cost average in. You can do the same going out, but I just wanted to get my money back out of AVAX at a point when I was making a decent profit. Now I don't know what to do, because I'm looking at buying some coins again, investing into coins. Not really sure where to put my money at the moment, because things are going up at such a rapid rate at the moment. I'm just scared that everything's just going to come crashing down. So let me know what you guys are doing in the comments down below. I'm thinking about maybe putting some just back into Bitcoin again, because Bitcoin's not really moved that much over the last week or so. Not like, some of the other smaller tokens have moved. It's not moved, 20%, 30%. It'd be marvelous if it did. But then obviously the price of Bitcoin is a lot more than AVAX or Matic or, XRP, any of those tokens. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys are doing. I'm just, at the moment, I'm just watching the markets carefully and looking for a good entry point. But I am kind of scared of getting in now and everything dropping overnight. Anyway, onto the trading bot, which is what the real point of this video was. Let's see how that's done. So let me just switch over here to my other screen. Okay, so this is my dashboard on the crypto.com exchange. I've got $643.97, which isn't all in my bot, unfortunately. Some of that's just USD sat on the account. If I look at the bots here, grid bot. So this is the bot I set up 2 weeks ago. I think it was 2 weeks yesterday I set it up, or 2 weeks the day before, maybe Thursday. So about 15-16 days it's been running, and I've made a grand profit of $12.27. Now, if we click on it, you can see the parameters are set. So we had a lower price of 7 cents and an upper price of 11 cents, which means the trades would only take place between those two prices. The current price of CRO is around about 10 cents, 10.5 cents, something like that. So once we get beyond that 11 cents, then obviously my bot's going to stop trading anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this profit. I'm going to close down this bot and then probably set up another one, changing the parameters, because the way the market's going at the moment, all these token prices going up, which we just talked about. I hope that I'm right in that CRO is going to continue to rise. And we're at the start of that bull run that we've been waiting for so long. But yeah, that's where we're at. So you can see I've made $12.27. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on end bot here, and you can retain it in the wallet, or you can sell all accumulated coins. So if I retain in the wallet, it will just retain the CRO that I've bought, or I can sell them back to USD. But I'm just going to retain them in the wallet because, you know, I'm hoping that the price of CRO starts going up, and I'll make some more money anyway, just on the token price. So I'm going to click on end, and that's it. So just a little update, guys. I actually just had a look at the ended bots here on my exchange account. You can see I've got 2 bots that were ended. One was like a little test bot I did, only run it for 4 hours, 5 hours, and I made $2 on it. The second one was this SK Grid bot, which is the one that we just closed down in the video. And I actually made a total of $16.31, not the $12 we talked about. So that $12 was just for last week. I'd also made $4 the previous week. So in total, I made $16.31, which, you know, isn't too bad. Obviously, if I'd have put $500 in, that'd have been $32. If I'd have put $1,000 in, that'd have been $64. So, you know, you can make some decent money letting these bots run. But you need to be careful because you could also lose it all as well. But yeah, in total, I made $16 on that $250 bot, which isn't too bad. So what I'm going to do is, in the next week or two, if I get time before Christmas, you know, it's a busy time at Christmas, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and look at some of the other bots, the dollar cost averaging bot and the twat bot, because I think the dollar cost averaging bot is probably a good bot to use now, you know, with the price of all these coins going up. We don't want to buy all our coins in one lump sum. We want a dollar cost averaging into that, and we can do that with a bot as well, and, you know, buy and sell using the bot. So I'm going to look at the dollar cost averaging bot in the next video, or maybe not the next video I put out, but at least the next video I do on the crypto.com exchange platform. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, as always, click that thumbs up button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. Next video, I'm hoping to do an update on yield nodes, because yield nodes are, well, they're supposed to be putting out another announcement tomorrow. They sent out a newsletter last week, I think, to say coming soon newsletters. So that was their big announcement, is that they're going to start putting out more newsletters, which is, you know, brilliant. Tells us nothing, but hopefully they will put out a newsletter tomorrow. I think they said the 10th of December. So I'll see what they say in that one, and then I'll probably do a video on yield nodes sometime next week, and then try and fit another video in before Christmas on trading bots and other crypto.com goodies as well. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Get yourselves ready for Christmas. I hope you're getting, you know, everything sorted for Christmas. And this year, I think, is going to be a big year for crypto. So I'm really excited about that. See you all soon.